Well, hey all, and welcome back. Long time no see, but I do have another episode within the same year, so at least that's progress. It's the first quarter of April, and it looks like we're actually going to get snow tomorrow. So we're going from what we thought was spring to like 8th winter, whatever that's about. So I decided to get myself a JDM snowplow. And that brings me to this very big box. Now this box is a very rare part, and if this show is actually becoming rare parts that I collect and talk about things I'm going to do later down the road, because I don't have time to install this. However, I'm so excited that I have this. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on the car. So let's go ahead and get this open. And what we have here is famously known as the Savage front lip, or Pakfeifer. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know how to spell it. I'll put it in the description though. That's the other name for this lip. But this lip is actually made by Wührer, which is the possibly original version of it. I don't know. But yeah, we have a lip here. It's got a little bit of flex to it, which is actually nice considering it's fiberglass. And I'm going to go ahead and quickly place it in the car, and we're going to see how this thing looks. And before we get the lip on, let's go ahead and get one last look at what the car looks like without it. Now, as you guys have heard me before, I have wanted a front lip for the car for a long time. I like the way the car looks stock. However, I think that front end could be just a hair lower to go with the body a little bit better, especially since I ride a little bit higher due to the tire size. But without further ado, let's go ahead and see what this looks like with the new lip. And here we are with the lip loosely fitted on. So there's been no screws put in, there's been no double-sided tape, there's been no adjusting. It's just placed on there with friction. And since it's cut to the shape of the bumper and it relies on the front cutouts to hold it, it actually stays on there pretty good without any other stuff. So what I'm actually going to have to do is use some double-sided tape along the front edges of it. As you can see, there's a little bit of a gap from the way it forms out. And it actually makes the car about an inch lower. So it's not like a huge drastic change. So I'm not going to be scraping this thing all the time when I'm going around. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a walk around. You can see it from the front there. Kind of how it changes the line, extends the front a little bit to better match the rear. It is a little bit lower than the rear, but it's not so much. It's not too much lower than the front skirt, but it's enough to, I think, to accent the front of the car. So we've got that. So we can walk around. And like I said, there's a little bit of fitting that needs to be done. Of course, it's going to need to be painted, but I'm very excited to get this thing fitted once I do have the time and budget for it. So anyway, guys, thanks for checking us out. I'm going to be busy for the next couple months, so it might be summertime before I have any more content back up. But like always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you all next time.